Is Europe has failed in tech. It is true that Europe has lagged behind the United States and China is in certain areas of technology. There are several reasons behind this, but we cannot say that Europe has never contributed to the technology. Europe has a rich history of technological innovations and success, particularly in the early to mid 20th century. Roles of Europe in tech. Telecommunication. As you all know that who discovered the first telephone was Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish born and later immigrated to the US. Has a very important role in telecommunication system because this one is the only way to connect one people to another people. Automobile industry. Karl Benz, a German engineer, is credited with inventing the first automobile powered by an internal combustion engine in 1885. Famous car companies like Mercedes, BMW and Volkswagen, all these brands are ruling the world and comes under the Europe. Computing and information theory. Konrad Zuse is a German engineer who created the first programmable computer, which was Z3, was launched in 1941. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, is considered one of the fathers of computer science and artificial intelligence. Mobile communications. As you all know that a famous mobile brand known as Nokia has ruled over many years in the world. Basically, this brand was found in Finland, which comes under the Europe continent. Gaming and entertainment. Europe has a strong presence in the gaming and entertainment industries. Companies like Supercell, which was from Finland, King from UK, and have created popular games in the world. Healthcare and life sciences. Europe boasts world-class biotech companies as well as cutting-edge research institution. Companies like Roche from Switzerland, Novartis from Switzerland, AstraZeneca from UK have made significant contribution to the healthcare innovations. But if we see nowadays, Europe tech has less significant as compared to US and China because there are many reasons. Let's discuss it one by one. Venture capital and funding. Less risk taking. Europeans venture capitals market have been more risk as compared to others like US and China. In other continents like US and China, they have less risk and higher rewards. Lower investment levels. The overall level of venture capital available in the Europe has been lower than in US, limiting the ability of European startups to scale rapidly. Cultural factors. In Europe, fear of failure can be more negative as compared to US and China because people don't want to take risk and live their life peacefully without any struggling. Talent and education. Brain drain. In this, many talented European tech professionals prefer to move USA as compared to start their own business because many opportunities and rewards are better than the Europe. Government support and policy. As you all know that US and China have a good bond between their government and government also provides benefit to these companies, but in the Europe it has not always been, so this one is the main reason. Big companies are not as bold. European does not have big giants like Amazon, Google, Meta, which can drive innovations and help smaller companies grow.